Welcome to Introducing, a show where we introduce each other to weird and hopefully funny stories.
This week we'll be talking about reality TV shows, and it's my turn today. So let's get into it. So today we'll be talking about My Exchange, a TV show that ran on Sony Entertainment in 2010. Have you heard of it?
It's one of those things, one of those shows that used to play in the background in my house. I've not really paid attention to it, but it's too long ago for me to remember anything.
Okay, so as the title suggests, this show is about two families whose mothers are exchanged for a week, and hilarity and drama ensues.
एक आदर्श बहू राजबीर और नाजों से पली बहू सपना ने बदले हैं अपने अपने घर। कौन बेहतर बहू साबित होगी
आंटी को बैठना चाहिए।
और कौन करेगी ड्रामा?
Right off the bat, who do you think? कौन करेगी ड्रामा?
The way they've set it up, I feel like they've set up the whole one sanskari, one non-sanskari.
Yeah.
So it makes me feel like the non-sanskari one is going to do drama because of the way they've set it up.
ये हैं पुणे की जानी मानी मॉडल सपना शाह और इन्होंने ग्लैडरैग्स मिसेस कॉन्जेनियलिटी का खिताब भी जीता है और यही कारण है कि इस खिताब की खुमारी इनके सर चढ़कर बोलती है। तभी तो ये खुद को प्रिंसेस से कम नहीं समझती। सास तो मानो इस प्रिंसेस को पलकों पर बिठा कर रखती है, तभी तो वो सारे काम खुद ही कर लेती हैं और सपना करती हैं सिर्फ आराम। मानना पड़ेगा सपना जी, आप काफी किस्मत वाली हैं।
They're really setting up a villain here, aren't they?
Yeah.
वो करती है सिर्फ हाँ।
ये हैं कॉमेडी के मंच पर धमाल मचाने वाली राजबीर अमृतसर से।
She's a stand-up comedian.
Okay, oh my god. Feel like I need to justify. I'm not laughing at the fact that she's a stand-up comedian. It's just they've not made that part of her character when they set her up. Because they set her up to be like a housewife.
When you did the promo, you explained the other lady so well. You explained so much about her.
Yeah.
This one's an ideal bahu. Done. Let's move on.
Yeah, and now she's on Comedy Circus with fucking Vinod Kamble. What?
इनके परिवार में हैं इनके पति मनदीप, इनका 7 साल का बेटा हर कबीर, इनकी 3.5 साल की बेटी मनसीरत, इनकी भांजी जसप्रीत और इनके सास ससुर।
Why did he go into these ages and then say 3.5 साल की? Like he became a kid. Like he stopped doing the half thing at like 8 years old, man. He's appeasing the daughter.
Now that I think about it, it's such a strange detail because I'm sure he's not exactly 7 years old.
She's like, yes, I'm 3.5 years old. But you didn't have to write that in the script.
वैसे तो मनदीप डांस टीचर हैं, मगर राजबीर को अपने इशारों पर इस कदर प्यार से नचाते हैं कि राजबीर घर के कामकाज के साथ-साथ बाहर के कामकाज को भी बखूबी निभा पाती हैं।
I don't trust this narrative. I don't fuck with this narrative.
Yeah.
Motherfucker dance guy does nothing.
No, he's there holding something. Look, he's there in the side. Support.
He's just in front of the whole crowd of the supermarket breakdancing. Sapna and Rajbir, they enter the homes first, right? And there's like a little booklet left there by the other person.
Yeah.
And you have to like read it and be like, oh, okay, so these are the instructions that Sapna left for Rajbir and vice versa. And they just kind of go through the house Sherlock Holming, where they like look at things and deduce the most obvious facts from them.
मिसेज इंडिया ग्लैडरस मिसेज इंडिया अरे मैं मिसेज इंडिया के घर में आई हुई हूँ।
Genius. How'd she figure that out? What the fuck? इसको CBI मिलो।
मेरा नाम राजबीर कौर है और मैं स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन हूँ।
मैं एक मॉडल हूँ। हाँ वो मैंने देखा।
She doesn't write her name at all. It just starts with मैं एक मॉडल हूँ. That's all you fucking need to know. Fuck you.
घर की साफ सफाई मैं ही करती हूँ।
I love about this scene is she has a notepad. She's clearly not written anything on it. She's not writing anything on it. These are important pointers to write down, right?
No, but why would you need a notepad? You have the book, right?
And that's exactly what I was getting to. It's already printed out for you.
उन्होंने मुझे काफ़ी फ्रीडम दिया। वो तो मुझे किचन में घुसने ही नहीं देती। आप चाहती नहीं होंगी.
They're fucking snark that she immediately gets it. They can't cut this, right?
Yeah.
So they have to keep all of her reactions.
Yeah, they have to.
So she's like so snarky all of a sudden. From oh, she's so beautiful. Oh, the family is so beautiful. To आप इस घर की prince.
We are clearly pro Sapna gang here.
Pune Shah.
Model.
नमस्ते जी. सपना के फेवरेट फ्लावर्स है अभी.
This man is such a badass. He's so clean cut about the fact that this is a business interaction.
Yeah.
Because he gives her this bouquet of flowers and she
Yeah.
starts smiling because it's
Yeah.
a sweet gesture. And then he goes, Sapna ke favorite flowers. Fucking calm down. Fucking relax.
You are a substitute teacher.
You are here because we need money.
नाम पूछा.
I love you, Dave.
सपना का favorite बच्चा है.
फैमिली बिजनेस क्या है आपका?
फैमिली बिजनेस अंकल मेरे हस्बैंड जो हैं वो डांस टीचर हैं.
अच्छा.
मैं एज ए आर्टिस्ट हूँ. जैसे मतलब
Okay, so I just need to talk about something really quick. Okay, so I just need to like really talk about something like really quick.
Okay.
I think I'm making my point here.
हम कपड़ा कोई भी पहने, चाहे वो सलवार कमीज पहने, चाहे वो जीन पहने, जो मर्जी पहने, लेकिन पर्दा होना चाहिए शरीर का.
उधर पीछे के ट्रैफिक देख रहा हूँ.
टीवी क्यों चालू रखा है?
हमारे घर में ये है कि राजवीर सूट पहनती है. ठीक है. और सर के ऊपर दुपट्टा रहता है. चलो दुपट्टा ना भी हो लेकिन सूट जो है पूरा उसका कवर रहता है. ठीक है. और मेरे ख्याल से मॉम डैड थोड़ा सा फील कर रहे हैं कि
Imagine being the guy that plays up his misogyny for the camera. Like of all the traits you had, you could have been breakdancing through the entire episode, my dude. How cool would that have been?
मैं इतने दिन कपड़े कहाँ पे रखूँगी. ये मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा अनकंफर्टेबल है.
I love how she went from being like Sanskari Bahu to where the fuck do I keep my clothes?
Where are the covers?
बड़ा अच्छा है. लेकिन मैंने ये दिन कभी पहना नहीं है. मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं होंगी इसमें.
ठीक है ना.
सपना का शूज देखूंगी मैं.
वापस जैसे
मैं देखूं.
क्योंकि
अच्छा वैसे रख दूं उसको मैं.
यहाँ प्लीज क्योंकि
लेकिन मैं पहनूंगी.
मैं आपको क्या बता.
अरे मैं थोड़ा सा करके
आप
देखूंगी.
फोर्स मत करो. डोंट एक्ट
modeling
स्मार्ट ऑन
करूंगी ना.
कैमरा.
That's so fucking weird, man. I don't know. Like, stop going through her cupboard and shit. That's fucked up.
She's just trying to clear up her wardrobe. She's like, take the camera and she's slyly just throw it one by one every day. And within 2 days, the whole thing is clear and her clothes are over there.
They've set Sapna up as a
Yeah.
villain, and they've kind of set her up to fail. Like it's a
Yeah.
traditional, very patriarchal.
Yeah, that's what
family.
I thought from the promo.
Yeah. The thing is though, Sapna is fucking badass. She gets in there. She instantly realizes Mandeep is a piece of shit for making his wife do all of the work, and so she just keeps handing him L's and wins family member after family member after family member until the entire family is on her side. It's crazy cool.
So what does Mandeep do when she's doing all of this shit?
Mandeep is just sad and emasculated, and at one point creepily tries to seduce her by singing a romantic Punjabi song.
एक सॉन्ग है. उसमें है याद आया मैं राजवीर के लिए जैसे गाना चाहता हूँ लेकिन उसमें वर्डिंग चेंज करनी पड़ेगी.
एक मिनट यार, दिस इज नॉट फेयर मैन. आप राजवीर के लिए गा रहे हो तो वो आने के बाद गाइए ना. आई मीन मतलब गाना अब राजवीर के लिए गा रहे हो, सुना मुझे रहे हो. Two connections not working.
See, this is the look of a man that was trying to shoot his shot.
Down bad.
It's so uncomfortable, man. What is this family?
ਸੋਹਣਾ ਰੂਪ ਸਜਾ ਲੈ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਨੀ ਪਰਦਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਪਾ ਲੈ ਕੁੜੀਏ. ਟਾਣੀ ਮੁੱਛ ਫੁੱਟ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਖੜ ਗਈ ਤੈਨੂੰ. ਬਚੀ ਮੁਟਿਆਰੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਚੜ ਗਈ ਤੈਨੂੰ.
Superb! I like this more. This is so young. This is so youth.
She looks so awkward. People, you know when somebody sends you their music,
Yeah.
one of your friends, and you have to think of something nice to say. This is
Like
young youth.
when they send a 2.5 minute song and in 20 seconds you reply, this is so young, this is so youth.
The next morning, she talks to his mom. She's like, "Your son doesn't do jack shit for the household."
So does her mom agree?
Yeah, the mom agrees. there's like this really sad,
the-
sweet moment where the mom is like, हाँ जब वो कुछ करता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Like it's that rare in this household for Mandeep to do anything of value. So he categorically asks the niece about like, does he always just sleep throughout the entire evening? And the niece responds with, कभी-कभी नहीं सोते.
So his whole thing is in the morning I go and teach dance. In the afternoon I come back, eat spicy food,
Yes.
sleep, eat spicy food, sleep, dance.
Oh no, you missed the crucial step of hitting on somebody else's wife. So 4 days into the challenge, Sapna gets to introduce new rules to the family, and she specifically has all of these rules for Mandeep and shit.
Nice.
So it's great.
आपके लिए रूल नंबर 1 ये रहेगा, आपने आते ही मुझे कपड़ों के बारे में कुछ बोला था, तो अब से आप कभी भी कुछ पहनोगे तो मुझे पूछ के पहनोगे, मुझे दिखा के पहनोगे कि is this right?
And also, I'm gonna be real with you, Mandeep. You could do with some second opinion when it came to your clothing choices.
Also your hairstyle, you have a receding hairline with gel in your hair.
He's really going through it.
You look like a 3.5 साल का बच्चा.
हमारे लिए आप आज हलवा बनाएंगे जो आपकी मम्मी आपको सिखाएगी.
To make halwa, not
Yes.
like a main course or something.
Yeah, you don't
Halwa.
deserve to feed us entirely.
हलवा, और हलवा तीखा मत बनाना, ठीक है?
जब भी मैं आपको मिस्टर गोल्डी करके बुलाऊं, you make sure that you tell yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Oh,
Absolute girl boss moment.
girl boss if she wasn't capitalist.
Absolute socialist girl boss moment.
So the next day the rules come into effect, and 4 hours into the rules,
Instead of the 4 days.
Yeah, 4 hours into the rules, this man throws a tantrum because she asks him to serve the halwa that he made for them.
My man. Just serve the halwa. How hard is it? You've already made the halwa.
So this just spirals into a whole ass fight, and it ends with Sapna kicking him out of the house.
Oh wow.
Yeah, she just locks the door. So she finally lets him back in, only if he accepts and says, I'm a loser and I broke the rules. And he, obviously because he's a dumbass, he says like, oh, I am a loser, kind of like ironically sort of, but he has lost.
Yeah. I don't think there's one battle he's won throughout.
No, he's just been taking L's throughout.
Yeah.
This whole time, while Mandeep's family and his world is falling apart around him, Rajbir and the others are having a talent show.
आप गलत दिखा रहे हैं हमको, हम जैसा है. मैं आंटी आप क्यों इतना परेशान, टेंशन क्यों ले रही हैं आप? मैं क्या बोली, सब गलत हो रही थी.
She's had a full character arc.
This is exactly what Mandeep deserves, and this is exactly what Rajveer deserves.
He deserves to see his wife living like a comfortable life on television. Where like the whole family around them changes, and all of a sudden Rajveer is just chilling.
Wait, so do they get to like confront each other after this end?
That's how the episode ends. The two families meet each other face to face. So let's get into it.
वही आप जो बोल रही हो बकवास बोल रही है. मेरा मन करे तो मैं सोऊंगी. आपकी सांस आपको उठाती नहीं है, इसमें आपको पेट दुख रहा है. मेरी सांस उठाती है, इसके लिए आपको पेट दुख रहा है. ना जाना है. What are you doing, Mrs. Rajbir? What are you trying to do?
वो हर स्टेप पे उसको और सपना को कंपेयर करते गई.
क्या हुआ? वो मॉडल है. मैं विनोद कामले को जानती हूँ.
पानी ले आओ थोड़ा.
राजवीर कैसी है आपको मैं तो बताती हूँ. राजवीर को तेरे पूना में सब जानते हैं, लेकिन तुझे तेरे पूना में कोई नहीं जानता.
It's always been about this. And you know, like after seeing, like I know this is not going to be funny, this part at all, but like it's really sad because what it feels like from like this perspective, from watching it, you know, completely removed from these situations, it feels like the reason her identity as a comedian is so important to her, her recognition as a comedian is so important to her, is because she knows that at home they don't appreciate her.
Yeah.
And it's really sad. There is no other way to put it. It's really sad that even Rajbir doesn't see it that way. Because I can't blame her. When you come from this conditioning of having lived with someone like Mandeep for this many years, it's not her fault that she's unable to see that the fight that Sapna was fighting was for her. Because Rajbir is the... ये तो 8 दिन रह के चली गई ना. Rajbir has to live that for the rest of her life. Hopefully not. And I don't know, it's just sad.
I got way too invested into this one. I wanted to be funnier, but I'm just too invested.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all of that shit. And we're also going to be doing another video where I introduce a weird and hopefully funny reality TV show to him.
So yeah.
Goodbye.
That's a wrap on one video.
That gave me an anxiety.